Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Curtis Grevenitz.
All right, welcome back, everybody. 2018 has not been a very warm year thus far. What has the warmest day been so far this year? The warmest temperature? Well, so far, Helena's hit 92. We've only hit 90 degrees or greater once. Great Falls has hit 95. Cut Bank, the warmest temperature thus far, 89 degrees. Havre has hit 90 twice. We've made it up to 94 in Lewistown. Warmest temperature so far this year, and it's July 3rd, 85 degrees. Once again, got to show you what is going on up on Kings Hill. Showdown reporting some snow. These are live images from our sky cams up there, and yeah, that's not just a couple of flurries. That's a couple of inches of snow that has accumulated up on top Periphery Peak. Current temperature of 29 degrees. It's chilly here throughout the state. A brisk July day, to say the least. 59 degrees in the capital, some rain off towards the east. And in Great Falls, also mainly cloudy here, 59 as well. Wind out of the south at about 14 miles per hour. Look at those numbers. Even Bozeman, 50 degrees. You head up into the higher elevations around the capital, and we're down into the 40s. Look at Lewistown, 45 degrees right now. And then we've got a heat advisory for northeastern Montana. I told you things are going to change in a big way really rapidly here, but a heat advisory in effect for Friday. That means some pretty hot temperatures, maybe heat indices all the way up to 100, 105 degrees. So some rain coming down here for parts of the state. Not much materializing around Great Falls, but I can tell you that that's hitting the ground there around Augusta over through about Sims. Around the capital area, a few sprinkles coming down. If you notice earlier down there between Boulder and Helena, the higher elevations up there near Park Lake, a little snow coming down. The big belts up there around Boulder Mountain and Mount Baldy looking at some snow coming down. There's Showdown, and you saw on the radar and on the images that it is snowing. Some rain around the Lewistown area, some solid rain around Geraldine up through about Havre right now. In southeastern Montana, we've got some summertime thunderstorms coming through. The bigger picture, and yeah, an area of low pressure moving through Montana right now. Besides that, fairly quiet for a lot of the country, but a lot of the country looking at heat advisories. The shade of orange here, that matches the heat advisory up into northeastern Montana. And then we've got red flag warnings and excessive heat watches, and some of that heat will be coming up here into Big Sky Country in just a matter of days, probably about 48 hours or so. So there's a look at what will happen tonight. Rain, a few thunderstorms moving out after midnight, and here we go into the 4th of July. It will be a fantastic 4th. The western part of the state, a little high cloud cover coming in at times, but no rain, no snow on the 4th, although it was close enough, but should be a gorgeous day. And then into Thursday, that's when we'll start to feel the heat coming in with a few isolated thunderstorms in the western part of the state. Here's the forecast for tonight. A chilly night, a few showers and storms early, lows getting down into the 30s and 40s for most locations. Snow on Kings Hill Pass if you're driving up over that. And then you can see the temperatures around the capital in the 30s and the 40s. And here's the forecast for the 4th of July. A much nicer day, maybe not hot, but temperatures will be in the 70s. Skies will be very, very sunny. The wind will be out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And there you can see around the capital, a gorgeous day with high temperatures in the 70s. But look what is not that far away. 97 degrees for the high temperature on Friday. How is that possible? Well, we live in Montana, that's how. And it stays pretty warm and dry and breezy through the weekend. So I mentioned earlier, fret those fire starts. Still is pretty green out there, but things will be drying out very, very quickly, even though it is snowing in the mountains.
You can't make this up.
No,
You
I
really
wouldn't.
can't.
I'm a weather guy.
Well, coming up next on the